Hey, assalamu alaikum. What is the nutrient and what is the micronutrient and what is the macronutrient and what is the important nutrient in your body for normal metabolism, even for the lose of fat and the gain of the muscle, even the whole body, the increase the nervous system function properly, even the working more properly. So what is the nutrient? First of all, we will understand about that. The number one is the micronutrient and the second is the macronutrient. Macronutrient contain basically carbohydrate in the form of glucose, refined sugar, also the macronutrient. Also the protein in the form of whey protein or other basically in the form of meat, chicken, so mutton, beef, so that pork, also it is the protein. While on the other hand the fat is the omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acid, and also the other short chain fatty acid and long chain fatty acid, unsaturated fat and saturated fat. We will not understand in this video about all these things about the saturated and unsaturated fat even. So just basically fat and nucleic acid basically, which that is also the part of the macronutrient. Anyhow, but the micronutrient is basically it can be a micro level in your body, but it is crucial for normal metabolism. So it can be a copper, zinc, iron and sodium, potassium, magnesium and calcium, and on the other hand the basically other trace minerals. Basically this is the major micronutrients and which that is important for the normal metabolism of your body. But remember about that important things. The macronutrients contain carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, while the micronutrients contain these trace minerals like the copper, iron and the magnesium, sodium, potassium, calcium, chlorine and a lot more basically micronutrient, which that is basically important. And on the other hand, I am also want to add the other micronutrient like the vitamin. The vitamin is the fat soluble vitamin, which that increase fat soluble vitamin due to the ketogenic diet, while the water soluble vitamin is the vitamin C and the important and vitamin B. So the vitamin B is very important water soluble vitamin, which that give the health of the mitochondria, the vitamin B12, and also give the neurogenesis, increase the number of the neurons and synaptogenesis and neuroplasticity. And in this way, the basically is the all vitamin B and vitamin C is also antioxidant and provide the health of the mitochondria and decrease the reactive oxygen species. It means that decrease the oxidative stress, remember. And this is the water soluble vitamin, but the fat soluble vitamin come from the ketogenic diet more increase. It will basically also increase due to the normal diet, but the ketogenic diet boost this vitamin like vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K and the vitamin A. On the other hand, the vitamin basically vitamin E and vitamin A, which that is also antioxidant and provide the health of the mitochondria, and also your nervous system work properly. Antioxidation will occur due to this mitochondria due to this basically vitamin. So this is the also micronutrient, so which basically it requires the low amount of this nutrient, while the healthy body required this micronutrient. While on the other hand, you can think about that the macronutrient, if you will not intake too much fat, protein, etc., if you are going to the fasting, so the micronutrient is very important for decrease the obesity and increase the muscle mass, because the obesity lose quickly as compared to the muscle loss. So the muscle will not lose, so the muscle maintain, because the protein breakdown is very sick, while as compared to on the other hand the fat, the burn fat is quick after the carbohydrate, after the glycogen depletion. So in this way the fat will lose due to these vitamins. These vitamins basically help to lose the fat. and these basically vitamin work for the metabolism, so improve the metabolism. When the metabolism will be normal, so easy to burn fat and grow your muscle. So all nutrients like the vitamin and the trace mineral and major mineral like the calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium. And the magnesium is very important for synthesis of the protein. Iron is very important for the hemoglobin and myoglobin, for the oxygen consumption more easy. On the other hand, basically this is all basically type of the trace minerals, the trace metals element, which that is too much important for our body, like the magnesium. Calcium is too much important for the nerve impulse, and the calcium is too much important for the muscle contraction. And on the other hand, the synaptogenesis, it is important for the brain health, the nervous system health. While on the other hand, the sodium and potassium is too much important, and in this case the potassium is the intracellular cation, while the calcium also. And the phosphorus is also important, which that come from the green vegetable, while the sodium and potassium is important for the nerve impulse and the exchange of the nutrient from one cell to the another cell, or from blood to the cell. So all this is things active transport due to the exchange of the sodium and potassium. So that all things basically will lead to normal metabolism of your body is very important, and in this way you can lose the fat or grow your muscle, grow your bones, and that is important. And in this way, whenever you will fasting, not eating the macronutrient, your body will work to maintain the protein in the form of muscle will maintain, while the growth hormone will burn the fat, because the insulin drop during the fasting time, while the growth hormone increase will lead to maintain the metabolism. So what is the important nutrients, micronutrients or macronutrients? Comment below, and basically we will understand what is the important nutrient. So according to me, the micronutrient is too much important for normal health and the physiology of your body. So I hope you make sense about that. If you like my video, please make sure to subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video for this. Bye. Allah Hafiz.